Hello and welcome to another how-to video from Hayes Machinery. Here I am today to show you how to identify your chain for your chainsaw. There are so many different chains out there, so identify the right chain to fit your saw can be a bit of a nightmare. So today I'm going to show you a couple of easy steps to make sure you get the right one you need. The tools we'll be using, an option of either an Oregon tool or a STIHL tool, both of them available on our website. The easiest way though to find your chain, if it's still legible, is on the side of your bar. You'll actually have inscribed on your bar the actual details of the chain you require for your saw. Right, let's begin. So on the side of the bar, it sent me the length of the bar, the pitch of the chain, which is 3/8 pico, how many drive links, in this case is 44, and then the thickness of the drive link, 1.3 millimeters. So two handy tools to help identify your chain is these two here. So you've got the Oregon chain identifying tool, and you've got the STIHL control tool. We'll use the Oregon first of all. You grab a chain. So the first thing we're going to do is measure the pitch. The pitch is the difference between the three rivets. So that rivet there and that rivet there. So what we'll do is we'll line up these holes. So you can see it doesn't match up. 325 matches up perfectly. So those are right in the center of those holes. That's telling me this is a 325 chain. The next thing I need to do is measure the thickness, the drive link thickness. Those bits here is the drive link. You need to know the thickness. You can do that once again using the same tool. Have different slots down here. That's it in imperial. On the other side is in metric. So you slide that in there. That won't go in. There we go, perfect fit. So that's telling me it's a 1.5 chain. So that's a 325 1.5 chain. Next thing you need to know is how many drive links the chain has. That is simply done by just counting up each of the drive links. This is a 64 drive link chain. So if you do need a replacement chain, I now know 64 drive links, 325 by 1.5. So now we're going to identify a chain with the STIHL tool. To do it slightly differently, different chain here. You need to find the back of the teeth, so that's the flat part of the back of the tooth. And then you'll line up your STIHL gauge, and you can see that's got a line up there and line up down the bottom as well. So that one doesn't line up, next one no, and then that one there. So it perfectly lines up with those two teeth there. Shows me it's a 3/8 chain. Just like the Oregon tool, now I need to measure the drive link. To measure the drive link, same again, you have little slots here, gives you all the different thicknesses. So always start off with the smallest one. That's a 1.1, so that's not right. Let's try that one there. 1.3, there we go, fits in like it should. So that one there is a 3/8 1.3 mil chain, and the next thing again, once again, counting the drive links on there. So as a brief overview of the chain identification tools, there are other functions these tools can do. If you want to know more about them, please drop us a comment below. Say you want the video and we'll look at making one for you. Thank you for watching this video today. If you found it useful, please click that like button. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's free for you to do and it really helps the channel out a lot. Remember, chains are all available on our website, bars, saws, machinery. Visit hayesmachinery.co.uk and see what we've got to offer. Thank you for watching. Bye now.